These are my ground beef steaks with mushrooms. Be sure to cook. Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to be making a ground beef steak with mushrooms. So stay tuned and let's pull this off. Okay, we have some great mushrooms. Okay, I got a couple of the mushrooms that I have washed and rinsed. I'm going to just dice these up. Okay, these are my chopped up mushrooms. We're going to be adding more because this is a steak with mushrooms. So this is all about steak and mushrooms. And we're going to be chopping up some garlic here, real thin, nice garlic. Run my knife over it after I sliced it thin as I could, which I really want it thin though, guys. All right, cleaning up my board, wiping down my knife. Okay, we got so many of those towels, it's ridiculous. I have to have a lot of them. Okay, I got some great onion here. You can use yellow onion, white onion. If you want to get fancy with it, go ahead and use some red onion if you want. Use shallots if you want. But in this dish, I need diced onions. So these are going to be chopped up nice and just kind of fine, just like the rest of them. So I'm going to run my knife over through here. And everybody chops and scores their onions differently. I like to do this. So now I'm going to add a pound of beef steak here. And this is really good grade steak. I say that's about a pound. Okay, I'm going to add some kosher salt, just a little bit, maybe 1/4 teaspoon or whatever, just a little kosher salt for you. And I'm going to add a little bit of ground thyme, because thyme makes everything good. And then we have got a little onion powder, just a little bit of onion powder in there. And then we have paprika, a little paprika, Mrs. Dash blend, 1 chopped fresh garlic clove that we've gotten. Okay, 1/2 cup of our chopped mushrooms, because these mushrooms are delicious. Because this is a beef steak with mushrooms. So there's mushrooms, clean hands, and let's just start to smush this together. And we're going to put our other ingredients in there once we get all this smushed together. You're going to squeeze that in there because you want all that together. We're going to add our onions in here. You can use about maybe 1/4 cup of onions or whatever onions you feel free. I like to have a lot of good stuff in here. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to squeeze and we're going to mix it up. And a couple cracks of black pepper. So don't forget, because we do have black pepper already in the Mrs. Dash blending. So you don't want to use a lot. But my husband loves pepper. And if he doesn't see me crack it in there, he's always like, you put any pepper in here? I mean, he really likes pepper. After I do this, and they sit for a little while, I make little miniature patties, about that size, because they're little. Or you can make them big, it's up to you, but they're like little steaks. And I try to make them the same size. I can kind of feel for them. You do them so long, you can kind of feel and get the exact same size in a way. I don't know. You could feel for them a little bit, you know. You can kind of feel for them and you know exactly which size. So you start putting them down in here. You want to fill your pan. You want to make sure you get a nice, good, crowded pan of them. Till you get a whole bunch of little ones in there. Just going to cook them. Okay, since these was a little lean, I use a little, sometimes you get the meat so lean, it doesn't have any oil. Good old olive oil will do these perfect. Okay, I don't want to overcook them because these are going to go into a nice country style gravy, well, nice beef gravy. So I just want to get them half cooked. The burgers out, you add a little bit, about a teaspoon or two of your flour mix. And that olive oil will not hurt it. A little olive oil still, because you got all that good stuff at the bottom. Adding those rest of those mushrooms inside my flour mix that I have made. This is a seasoned flour mix. You can season up, put your seasons in it, season up your own flour mix, and I'm just gonna cook those around. There we go. Stock here that I had made. It's a light stock, delicious. Now I'm trying to whisk this. This is a Pioneer gravy mix. It's a beef mix that I'm gonna mix up with my homemade to give it an enhancement. Okay, I added water because too much of your beef stock will make it, too beefy, richy. I want to throw it off. So I added some water to this. And I'm just going to add this up, and it made it a little darker, which that's good. Much better. And I'm just going to let this simmer. Okay, then I take my burgers or my beef steaks, and I'm just going to put those beef steaks right in here with these mushrooms. Don't forget, this is all about mushrooms. Okay, guys, this is completely done. Okay, here it is, guys. These are my ground beef steaks with mushroom, and this is mushroom heaven. So if you like mushrooms, you'll love this. You're not going to miss a mushroom. Even if you don't get it in your gravy, you have tons of it inside of your beefsteak mushrooms. So this is a beefsteak mushroom burger, and it's so good. It's smothered in gravy, and you can have like anything you want on there. We're having cream peas, which is wonderful, and we're also having mashed potatoes. You can have whatever you want. You can have rice, whatever you want to put on here. But these are the beefsteak with mushrooms. I hope you enjoy my ground beef steak with mushrooms, because this is a wonderful dish you can make anytime, when it's cold, when it's hot, when you just feel cozy and you just want to have a nice romantic dinner with your sweetheart or your kids. Make this. Guess what? Because I didn't make this beef steak mushrooms alone. You and me, we did this together, and we can make plenty more. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come back so we can make plenty more of these beef mushroom steak burgers and other things to go along with it. Hey guys, see you next time. Bye.